Let me see. Here, let's turn this around this way.
And tell me about that again. What's this?
A piston.
What does the piston do?
It lets its dump truck its load slide out.
It helps its load slide out.
Then it pushes.
Awesome. What other trucks do you see?
I have a crane.
Yeah?
And this is a piston.
Whoa. And what's this one? What's this?
It's a forklift.
A forklift.
It's lifting a big box.
Excellent.
And here's a crane.
Wow. Can you turn the page and show Daddy another truck?
A dump truck, a Jeep.
Whoa, Daddy loves Jeeps.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And he likes dump trucks.
But he especially loves Jeeps.
Even
Can we show him? Let's show him this page. Tell him what's on this page.
a Jeep, a bus, old Ford truck, even a T model for even a T.
A Model T.
A Model T truck. And one that looks like a bottle and a hot dog.
Oh my gosh. That's so silly.
That's so silly. Shoe.
That's so ridiculous.
Shoe is for Mater.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say I love you.
Wait, one on the left.
One last page.
A Jeep, a dump truck, a dump truck, a crane, a piston, a crane, a forklift, and making a road, making a carrying garbage in the forest. Mommy, if they could make a house out of wood.
They do make a house out of wood.
And look, but I don't know if he can pick up two.
You don't know if he can pick up 2 logs?
No. I bet he can.
Probably.
And he goes.
Whoa.
And whoa, that's heavy.
Mhm.
Whoa.
Can we say bye-bye to Daddy? Say I love you, Daddy.
Wait, one more page. There's a lots of pages. Log truck.
Log truck.
Whoopsies, Mommy. Something broke.
Oh dear.
Whoopsies.
Oh man.
That's gonna pick up them in the log truck. And
A wrecker.
a wrecker. A wrecker.
That's an armored truck. What does the armored truck carry?
Mommy,
Mhm.
this is the smokestack.
Mhm.
And this is a no-go truck. This is a freezer, and this is a refrigerator truck.
Wow.
And this is a scooter truck. And this is a truck. And this man is gonna fix this light.
Cool.
It's broken.
Oh, okay.
So he's gonna fix it. And these are vans, Daddy.
Mhm.
And these are fire trucks, Daddy. and they're making a house.
Cool.
And look, he's not late. That boy is running. Mommy, look, his head
Oh my gosh.
He has to catch it
Yeah.
before it gets too late.
Okay.
I see you, Daddy. I see you, Mommy. And he went the wrong way.
Oh dear.
He better catch his hat.
I think he's trying to catch the bus.
Yeah. He's late for his work.
Mm-hmm.
No way. He forgot about his hat to catch.
He'll get it.
He better catch it before it gets too late. This is a tire truck. This is a bottle truck. This is a sweeper truck. This is a snow plow truck and a dump. Then it goes right down. Then this board it's dumped out.
6 minutes.
For your reaction.
Okay, all done?
Not yet, but this truck can go underground. And
Whoa.
This one can pick up these things.
All done. The
book.
end.
What a great book, Cam.
Say I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Say I hope you like the book.
I hope you like the book.
All right.